Hey Frank, more and more you hear about workflows in the context of AI and agents. What are workflows and why can they help when we want agents and AI to work with APIs?
Well, typically, when we want to achieve any sort of action or goal through APIs, we need to do more than one single call. And when it comes to chaining together multiple API calls, relying for all of that orchestration logic to happen in the LLM space reduces the amount of reproducibility you can have around that workflow. And if this is a critical workflow that you need to work the same every single time, then it's good to think about having that execute more on the deterministic space and just make that capability discoverable and usable by the agent so that you don't risk the agent coming up with inventive ways to solve that problem in a very surprising way.
Yeah, that makes sense. Plus, you also get a nice token bonus, right? If you don't have your agent figure it out every single time, you spend less on tokens. So I guess that's an upside too.
Absolutely, yeah. Not every problem should be solved with an LLM running in a loop.
Very true.